Check my melody out. Yeah, I like that shit. Discovery Lee. I need you to take me way back. I need niggas to know that hip-hop is the culture. I spit that fire under a hot spoon. The underground ain't got room for pop tunes. Hip-hop should die soon at 12 o'clock noon. The Glock boom, I hit hip-hop with shot wounds. The sky's my costume. Now hip-hop officially lives on the ground. Rappers suffocate when they breathe through the nostrils. I deem you was hostile. Hip-hop don't need two apostles to teach you the gospel. Prophet, no one can box in as I get close to the top 10. Claiming they know, but none of these suckers been hot since they started out to get dope to multiple options. Results of hip-hop in 2015, the culture's forgotten. I ain't accustomed, this game is lame as fuck since we came from substance. Who knew what changing it up meant? Yeah, your catchy hit made you famous, you prideful. Hate to remind you, labels made a mistake when they signed you. First you were hot when they made you, somehow you flopped. You ain't able to come up with these hits, now you drop on the label. Proud cause they gave you 300,000 up front, promised you 3 mil, but now you realize they not gonna pay you. You thought you were on top when you got your breakthrough, but then you flop when you dropped the debut. Disabled, whose fault is that you're the cause of that? For breaking the laws of rap is all a fact of a loss of rap. That you got your jaws attached to the game like overstriking. These niggas are known for biting. Don't like that they overhyping niggas who don't enlighten. I give respect to the person who's first to confess. They sold their soul for commercial success. What depresses me is no one impresses me. Now let's agree, successors and determine the best MC. Respectfully, I give it honor, it's in most of my lyrics. Hip-hop is not a genre, it's a culture, I live it. And you can live it too through knowledge and understanding. No tolerance, silence them. If they garbage, we supposed to ban them. When they forgot to implement the 5 elements, the culture died ever since, and that's why I represent the lifestyle. Niggas are careless, I'm here to bring awareness, and there will be no interference. And what the fuck did you rappers be acting soft for? The rap I know is hardcore, in its purest art form. Not a DJ, not a b-boy or graffiti artist. I'm an MC, don't worry about me, I'ma eat regardless. Talent, I was given all this, so I turned my studio into a business office. I'ma make a living off this, instead of wasting my time. The term failure was erased from my mind and replaced with dedication and grind. Yeah, education is fine, but I got a different plan for me, mom. If I have a boss, I can't be a don, and I won't stop until my family is on. Make that a promise, I'ma do whatever it takes to pay homage. One day you'll see my album in stores. I got a lot to live for, I gotta make it out, my block is piss poor. And they all depending on me. You got beef, they're sending on me. It's impossible to offend or harm me. So I told myself this isn't rap, where's the criticism at? In fact, I'm bringing lyricism back. I do it for the love, I do it for wealth, cause I know I will always stay true to myself. Hip-hop is dead, and not only cause Nas said it did. With all this negative, it's hard to let it live. Back on gangs ran the block, I give props to Africa. What Bombada did was take the culture and made it positive. Names you gotta respect, first and last with the grandmasters. Niggas trying to destroy what they built like sandcastles. Don't represent the culture if you don't know how to, cause I'm bout to restore its historic value.